Travel. It's all about Stogie Travel. Just come and take Stogie Travel. All around the world. Stogie Travel. Lifestyle, Stogie will travel. Destination everywhere is waiting on your arrival. I'm talking about country to country and city to city. Stogie travels with Mary Gooch. I'll put you on the ditty. Fine libation, paired with Stogie sensations. Exploring cigar culture in every destination. Celebration of what's good in life. Bringing the world to your front door. Stogie travel.
Yes, a very epic moment, man. We are about to rock the epic La Rubia Short Gordo cigar by Epic Cigars. Man, this is such a nice size cigar. Let me give you a quick rundown. Oh, click below, like, share, subscribe. It helps the algorithm. Let's get the channel to grow as much as we can. Let's see if we can reach 5,000, 10,000, and so forth. All right, so let me give you the rundown on the wrapper, man. Look, the wrapper's a Connecticut, Ecuador. The binder is a San Andreas, and the filler is a Dominican and Nicaraguan. I love this size. It's a 4.5 by 60. It's a nice little chubby thing here. Awesome stick, man. Let's go ahead and light this. Just want to get that cap off of there. Great aroma. Love the appearance of this. This cigar was covered with like a silky, nice golden brown wrapper. The pre-light has like a hay-like notes in it. It's like little sweet graham crackers kind of notes on the pre-light taste there. Very nice, very pleasant. Looking forward to smoking this cigar again. Want to toast the foot. Y'all are professionals. Y'all know about this. Very nice. Very light so far. Look, man, let me go ahead and check out this first third. I'll get back with you, talk a little bit about the manufacturer profile, even what the word means in Spanish. My Spanish is not the great, but we're gonna give it the best we can. So, hey, Epic La Rubia, man. It's the Short Gordo. Click that link below and check this review out. It's epic. Epic. Man, let me give you a quick little rundown, the manufacturer profile. So they have here the La Rubia, excuse my Spanish, which translate to the Blondie in Spanish, was the third blend crafted by Epic Cigars and uses top shelf tobacco from various regions. The Ecuadorian Connecticut wrapper covers a Mexican San Andreas binder and filler tobaccos from both Nicaragua and Dominican Republic. Such an awesome cigar. The first third, once I lit it, it was a light body yet rich with dedicated flavors. After a couple inches, as you can see, and some black and white pepper notes were detected. I detected it on the retro hell, so you know, you may not get it, you may Who knows? The smoke through my nose, lingering on the palate. Man, this is such a impressive, it's epic. Epic. So, smoke epic, live epic. The La Rubia Short Gordo cigar, first third, I'll touch back with you and we'll talk a little bit more about that second. A lot of times when we review these cigars, we don't get the opportunity to talk about how it feels in the hand. It feels great, right? I love, we got an inch of this gray with a slightly little dark in there ash. Beautiful burn. I like to see that because that shows that was a good roll at the factory, and Epic cigars, they're really decent when it comes to grape rolls. So this particular one, it has a super light sheen, oily sheen on it, but gotta like it, man. This is the Epic La Rubia Short Gordo. Man, I love the ash. Check the ash out on this. Look, so we're done with the first third and we're moving into the second third, and the aromas also developed and became richer as this cigar was smoked with a little touch of honey, some sweetness, and some lowering tobacco notes that we're getting into the second third. So impressive. I love the ash. We're gonna have to remove that band, and I just have a feeling we're gonna lose this sexy ash. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Man, so look, we knocked out the first third, we knocked out the second third. Because I've already smoked this cigar before, we'll talk about the final third. The burn and construction was outstanding. It produced a long and dense light gray ash. The smoke was well-rounded on the palate with a mouth-watering texture, which helped spread the flavors very well. As the cigar was smoked, a touch of cocoa notes were detected in the aroma of the smoke as well. My final thoughts, this was a great mild body cigar overall with a balance and finesse. The cigar had a mild start, but it didn't take long for the medium body to kick in. This is a great cigar for someone new to cigars for the seasoned Joe smoking for a mild cigar that offered a lot of flavor. Yes. So, was the cigar a good buy? Yes. Did you enjoy the cigar while smoking it? Absolutely. Did the taste transition as you smoked the cigar? Yes. Did it have some complexity? Slight. It stayed medium. The characters came in really easily, really enjoyable. There's a lot more you can say about this cigar, but we'll just go straight to it. Was the strength consistent? It was perfect. What was different about the cigar or special? The flavors of that cocoa notes. I got that. It was hidden, but it was there. Did the cigar produce some spice? Yes, light spice, just enough to make this cigar awesome. Did the flavors match the description? Yes. Did the strength match the description? Yes. Medium body, full flavors, I thought. Would I smoke this cigar again? Absolutely, I'll smoke this cigar again. And my final rating, '92. The epic Rubia short Gordo. I can smoke this down to the nub, man. Let's get this wrapper off. The review is over. We gave it a, oh, I lost that there. We gave it a 92.